is Sheree for Just Nailed It. This video, I'm doing an unboxing of a water bottle that I won from M&S Off-Road. It is a YouTube channel here that I think if you're into some challenges, some goofiness, some off-road stuff, I think you'd really enjoy it. I enjoy watching their channel. It is, I don't know if they're husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm really not too sure, but they are both. They seem like really good people. They are fun-loving, and I think you would enjoy their channel. So here is the box that my prize came in. I won a water bottle. So I'm going to open it here with you. Lots of pretty paper. Here is the lid. And in here. Oh, this is really cool. Let me start here at the top. We're M&S Off-Road. I think this is so super cool. Really, here is the lid that goes with it. Oh, how do you open it? Oh, I see. I got it. You unscrew this part right here. You carry it by this. This whole piece here unscrews. That is the cap. This is their own stickers that they have made this themselves. This is a Stanley, which is a very, very nice product. I thank M&S Off-Road so much for picking me as their winner. I'm really excited. I will put this to some great use. Here is, oh, this is a sticker. I can put this on my car. M&S Off-Road. I will put their link in the description box, of course. You can go check them out. Again, excuse me. I thank you both for picking me. I am so excited. I did not have a water bottle before. Now I do. Let me put it here so I get the whole thing. I have a water bottle now, and I will put this to great use. Have no doubt in your mind about that. I will put that along with my sticker in the picture. Just nailed it. So they know who won. I am so excited. Thank you. If you all that are watching haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Just nailed it. Ring the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. And giveaways. You don't want to miss that. You get unboxing, reviews, giveaways, nail art, acrylics, all kinds of different things on my channel. I do run 2 series, Tuesday and Saturdays. Tuesday is my acrylic series. Saturday is my She Modern Saturday. I invite you all to come hang out, watch, learn, offer advice, suggestions. But to get back to this, again, I think M&S Off-Road. You both are really super good people. I really like you both a lot. Love watching your channel. And I thank you again. I've probably said that 5 times now. Well, we're going to call this a day. Have a blessed day, and thank you.